Hi, this is Vivian, and I would like to share with you another thing that I have noticed when it comes to people getting triggered when it comes to money. So, in our life, relationships are so important because somehow your relationship with your mother or your father influences greatly how you do business. So, if you pause a little bit and just think back and reflect, how is your relationship with your mom or dad? Because are you still carrying their money conversations? Are you still carrying their beliefs about money? Do you spend money just like your mom and your dad? And if you do, is that helping you achieve your goal? So if not, there are probably a lot of family blocks, is what we call them, that is hindering you from really getting to be very, very successful when it comes to your business. So when you clear these entanglements, we call them energetic cords, wherein they actually attach to different parts of your body and even in your head. Therefore, your thought process and your feelings and your emotions, your actions reflect exactly how your parents would react to certain things. So the question is, did they actually own a business and did they run it successfully? And if the answer is yes, by all means, follow, their patterns and follow their lead. Now, if it is harmful to you, some of the negative attachments, then it is time to let them go. And through our program, the Be a Money Magnet series and retreats, you will be able to really discern who or what energy is yours and what energy is your parents. And when you are very discerning of that, you will be able to really know what is right for you and what's for your highest good so that you can be successful in your business. So I invite you to join us in July, and we'll have fun, we'll be more aware, and you will have the right structure in order for you to have a successful business.